So I've been recently testing out lots of different cordless vacuum cleaners. I wanted to find ones that had the best suction power, that did the best job, and that were easy to use. So today I'm going to be showing you this one, sharing the details about it, some of the things I really love about it to help you decide if you want to grab it. So first off, you can see this is super lightweight. A lot of vacuum cleaners are heavier, bulky, and it's hard to maneuver. This one is not like that at all. Of course, it does have the rechargeable battery right here in the back that just pulls down, pop it back up. On a full charge, this will last up to 70 minutes. It does come with its rechargeable cord, and this is nice that you can actually hang it on the wall. And then of course, it does come with your basic vacuum attachments. This does have a 650 watt brushless motor power, and the KPA on this vacuum is 60, which basically is measuring the power and the suction behind it. So that's a great amount of suction, especially for a cordless vacuum cleaner. See, it's completely adjustable, so if you are shorter or you're trying to reach those really hard places, this is easily going to accomplish that. This big canister on here, and all you have to do is hold it over the garbage, push the button, and everything will release. If you want to take the canister off, you're just going to push the button here on the side, pop it down. There is your HEPA filter, which can be washed, but they do send a replacement filter as well. And then just to put it on, it just easily snaps back into place. And let me show you how loud this is. There's your on button. That's level 1, 2, and 3. So one of the features I really love is it's got a nice bright LED green light in the front here. That is great to show you exactly what you need to vacuum. It really shows all the hair, the dirt, the dust that's on your floor. So I love the big green light here. Now this is a regular thick area rug, and I have it on the lowest level. Kick it up here. Easily goes to the hardwood floor and is not kicking back stuff. I have any problems going from hardwood floor to carpet to area rugs. Now for anyone that has washable rugs, you know that some vacuum cleaners suck them up, making it impossible to vacuum. This one does not do that, even on the highest setting, so I'm going to show you that. On low here, does not suck up this rug. I'm going to hit it on 2. My old vacuum cleaner would have sucked this up, and I would not have been able to vacuum it. And let's hook it up to 3. I can just feel the amount of suction that this vacuum cleaner is pulling. Here you can see the amount of hair that's in the canister. Let's go empty this out. Show you how incredibly simple this is to empty. Just like that. So as you can see, it did a great job, not only on my washable rug, my hardwood floor, on a thicker carpet rug. Absolutely love it and would recommend it. I think it does a fabulous job. Like I said, I've tested out many cordless vacuums, and they have not been this strong. So if you're looking for a really nice one at a really great price, definitely recommend this one.